Hello friends, my name is Joy and welcome to Technical Joy. Today I will show you how can you remove your junk files and unused folder from your phone. There are survival program or app which will claim that they can clean unnecessary files from your primary storage, but actually they can't. Today we will show you how can you delete those junk files. For that you need to download a app called SD Maid. For that you have to go to Play Store and this search for the app called SD. I will give you a link of the free version of it which will help you to download. Let me demonstrate some work of this. Before that, let's check out my phone memory. Here is my phone memory. So you can see 9.97 is used. So now go to SD Maid, and here in that bar you can search for many of options like app controls, crop finder, system cleaner, app cleaner, and the duplicate. Search for the duplicate. It will search your whole primary and secondary storage and tell you which one is duplicate. Here you can see there are some duplicate files which I have, so you can select by keep newest or keep oldest, keep primary storage, keep random. I will say keep oldest, set, and it will select all the old file among the duplicate files, then delete it. Just typically delete the option. Here you can say 8.98 MB is been freed. Same as app cleaner. Search for the junk apps and clean it. You can see 89 MB is being blocked. Now delete all the items. And that's it, friend. All have done. You have cleaned up to 100 MB today. I will recommend all of you to do that. You will find more than I have found. So that's all for today.